These are 5 kitchen brands that most people walk right past without a second glance, and every single one of them is an absolute goldmine. Whether you're comparing to De Meyer, Made in Cookware, or Staub, while you're busy drooling over Le Creuset, All-Clad, and Wüsthof, these companies are quietly making products that perform just as well, sometimes better, at a fraction of the cost. And some of them have been doing it for over a century. Let's start with the one that shocks people the most. Tramontina, a Brazilian cookware company founded in 1911 by Valentin Tramontina, an Italian immigrant who settled in southern Brazil and started making hand tools. Over 100 years later, this company operates 11 factories worldwide, employs over 7,000 people, and sells products in more than 120 countries. They established a US branch back in 1986, yet most American home cooks couldn't pick the name out of a lineup. Here's why that's a huge mistake. Their tri-ply clad stainless steel line uses 1810 stainless steel interior with a total thickness of about 2.6 millimeters. That's the exact same thickness as all-clad stainless and comparable to De Meyer's construction. Identical. And their highest quality stainless steel option, the US tri-ply clad line, gets proudly made right here in America. CNN underscored tested their 12-piece set and called it their favorite in terms of performance, ergonomics, and even non-stick handling. The New York Times crowned their Pro Series non-stick fry pan the best non-stick pan, period. A full Tramontina cookware set runs you somewhere between $200 and $400. Meanwhile, a single all-clad pan can cost more than that entire set. Now, Tramontina's quality control isn't perfect. Some users report warping and surface scratches. But here's the thing that changes everything. Tramontina backs everything with a lifetime warranty, and they actually honor it. Free shipping label, free replacement, no hassle. That's more than you can say for some luxury brands. Brand number 2, Lodge. This one's been hiding in plain sight since 1896 when Joseph Lodge founded the company in Tennessee. That's nearly 130 years of American cast iron manufacturing, and they're still at it. Still making skillets and grill pans right here in the United States. But here's the comparison that should make you sit up straight. While Staub and Le Creuset fight over the premium Dutch oven market, a Le Creuset 5.5 quart Dutch oven costs around $420. A Lodge Dutch oven of similar size, about $80. You could buy 4 Lodge Dutch ovens for the price of one Le Creuset. And when America's Test Kitchen put them head to head, the results were humbling for the French brand. During extensive Dutch oven testing, one reviewer discovered a glaring truth. The pans all performed similarly when it came to cooking. The Lodge stood toe-to-toe with the famed Le Creuset. The final dishes tasted just as good. In 2023, Lodge launched their USA Enamel collection, featuring enameled cast iron Dutch ovens made in Tennessee. Now, Lodge isn't perfect. Some users notice little bubbles or imperfections in the enamel surface, and the lids can fit a bit loosely. But at this price point, those are minor complaints for cookware that will literally outlast you. Brand number 3 is a revelation for anyone who's ever spent serious money on a chef's knife. Victorinox Fibrox. You know Victorinox? They're the Swiss Army knife people. Founded in 1897 by Karl Elsener. But what most home cooks don't realize is that they make one of the most respected chef's knives in the entire culinary world. The Fibrox Pro Chef's knife costs about $45. A comparable Wüsthof classic runs about $170. A Zwilling J.A. Henkel's Twin 4-star around $140. And yet, Cooks Illustrated, arguably the most rigorous kitchen testing publication in existence, called the Victorinox Fibrox their test kitchen favorite, saying, "While it's easy to blow your budget on a fancy chef's knife, the inexpensive, lightweight Victorinox Fibrox remains the test kitchen favorite." Every single one of these knives gets manufactured start to finish in Ibach, Switzerland. The Fibrox handle is NSF certified, meaning it meets commercial sanitation standards. It prevents bacterial growth and withstands commercial dishwashers. Walk into any professional kitchen, from small cafes to fine dining establishments, and you'll see Victorinox knives everywhere. Some chefs bring expensive Japanese knives for specific tasks, but the Victorinox handles 80% of daily cutting. At $45, this isn't a compromise. It's a professional tool that happens to be affordable. Brand number 4 has one of the best origin stories in kitchen history: OXO Good Grips. In the late 1980s, a man named Sam Farber watched his wife Betsy struggle with a common vegetable peeler. She had arthritis, and the thin metal handle caused her pain. So Sam set out to make ordinary kitchen tools easier for everyone to use. That simple act of empathy launched a revolution. The OXO Good Grips line introduced the concept of universal design to mass retail. Tools designed for people with limited grip strength that turned out to be better for everyone. Their vegetable peeler ranked number 6 out of 100 by Fortune and the IIT Institute of Design among the most important designs in history. Not kitchen designs, all designs. 30 years later, OXO makes hundreds of products, and almost all of them share that same DNA of thoughtful, human-centered engineering. Take their bench scraper. $13. Most people don't even know what it is. But once you start using one, you genuinely wonder how you ever lived without it. That's the OXO philosophy in a nutshell. Simple tools, done brilliantly, at prices that don't make you flinch. And finally, brand number 5. The one that might surprise you most: IKEA. 365 plus? Yes, IKEA. The flat pack furniture company. But their 365 plus cookware line is a genuinely hidden gem. Their stainless steel pots start at just under $11, and a full 5-piece starter set comes in under $100. One user put it perfectly: hard to believe a 365 stainless steel pot could cook so well and evenly for under $100. Long-term users report 6+ years of daily cooking with no issues. The line heats evenly, cleans up easily, and can be supplemented piece by piece over time. Now, there are legitimate complaints. The handles can get hot on gas stoves, and some users report non-stick pans degrading after a couple of months. But for the stainless steel pieces specifically, the value is remarkable. If you want their premium option, the Sensuel line looks at least as good as All-Clad for a fraction of the cost. And I want to give you a quick bonus. Target's Figmint line, launched in September 2023 as Target's first in-house kitchen brand with over 250 products. More than half are priced under $10. Their enameled cast iron Dutch oven comes in at $60 to $70, and Consumer Reports found that their 12-piece nonstick ceramic cookware set aced cooking evenness and nonstick food release tests. It's Target's first in-house kitchen brand, and most people walk right past it. So here's the takeaway. Consumer Reports said it best. One thing we've learned in our labs is that you don't have to pay a lot for top-performing cookware. Plenty of budget-friendly sets and individual pans cook just as well as more expensive options. The kitchen industry runs on prestige pricing and brand mythology. These 5 brands prove that exceptional quality doesn't require an exceptional budget. You just have to know where to look.